How to create some very interesting line backgrounds in Photoshop. Well, first thing to do, you actually need a line. The best tool for that is probably the rectangular tool. Just quickly create a rectangle, and you can see rectangle, and select the shape option. Now you can set the colour. You can use black, but obviously preferably a red or some other colour like that. But you can also use gradients. You can set the gradient there, and you can select a gradient, and of course you can create your own gradients, modify the gradients. Just apply it now, just as a simple straight line like that. Now what you want to also can do, you can quickly go down to layer style and find the layer menu and add a drop shadow, move that around, just give it a bit of depth. So click OK. Now I want to remove the background, so I'm just going to quickly go over the layers panel and remove the background. Delete that. Yeah, so that's deleted now. Once you've got that, you can see you've just got a transparent background. Now I'm just going to select, using the rectangular marquee tool, select all of that design, that line design, and then I'm going to define a pattern via the edit menu. Click OK. Now once you've actually got that, it's been stored to the patterns preset panel. Now I'm just going to go back now. Now of course you could create multiple other line designs using a similar technique, change gradient, add another one, etc. Now edit menu and fill, and just select that pattern. Just go there, select pattern. And the key thing here is you've got a custom pattern section, select the script, and set that to random fill. That's what you want to set, random fill. Once that's random fill, click OK. Now there's a number of settings here. You can change the density, you can change the size, scale, also colour randomness, and I've got rotate pattern on and brightness randomness, and I've set that to a fairly high value as well. So you can see the design there. Now the actual preview does not match the end result. It's actually not so many in there. Maybe if you create a slightly smaller design of line, then you might achieve a sort of result. But click OK, so you can see there it's not filling the whole thing in the same way. But it's still basically that thing. Now what you can also do, you can create a new layer. You can then also, you can use edit and fill, apply again thing, maybe set different settings for the actual fill, and then click OK and apply it again to a layer or to the background. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.